Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing another wig review. This wig can be found on Amazon, so don't forget to check out the link. I will leave the link to my Amazon storefront in my description box so you guys can go ahead and check out this wig. Let's get right into the unboxing. When I got the package, it came in a big box, which I don't know why, because the wig itself is in a little box. This is what it looks like. It says "You're present," right? And this is YBYMCA wavy amber wig for daily party use, and is new, made in China. This is what it is. It's pretty, right? Kind of like matches, oh wow, like the theme of today's video, like pink. So yeah, so it came really fast, so I would tell you that I have good customer service. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and let's see. Okay, so it comes with a wig cap, so I'm just going to give you guys a closer look. So we have the wig cap, and now we go ahead and take out the wig. So this is the color that I chose. This is how long it is. It's pretty long. Let you guys know what the inch is. This is what the lace. So we take this out. Obviously, this is not human hair. So this is the lace for a closer look. And not bad at all, right? So all we need, honestly, is the shade of your foundation. You need the shade of your foundation to let this blend in. All right, this is it. It comes with the hook, of course. So you want to make sure that you hook this. It comes with the combs to secure the wig, which is great. So now let's just cut out the lace. I would love to cut it out very close to the hairline. Not sure if you guys can see that, but we'll cut out the lace, and then that's pretty much it. So obviously we can see that the sewing is up here. So when you do wear the wig, you want to make sure that you bring this side out like this, so that sewing part here is not visible, right? Finish adjusting. Okay, so let's talk about this wig. You could tell that it's synthetic, right? You could tell it's a synthetic wig, but honestly, I love synthetic wigs. I'm not gonna lie. You know why? Because lately I feel like the people that make synthetic wigs, they make it and it's durable. Meaning like you could have that wig for 2 years, 3 years, right? If you take good care of it. And I feel like sometimes when people have synthetic wigs, they care less about it because they feel like it's synthetic, so they don't have to put in much effort that they put into their human hair wigs. But if you actually take good care of your synthetic wigs, the way you take care of your human hair wigs, you find that they last long too. It fits my head very well. I do like the color. It is lightweight. The hair is really full. And I am not going to use a brush on this hair. Personally, you can go ahead, but I don't advise you to use a brush. I feel like just put the wig on. This is what I would do. Like just use my hand to style it. So if I want it, like it already came wavy, you don't really need to do a lot. Now let's talk about some of the downside of this wig. Is it shedding? Yes, it sheds. And I know like most people don't like when your hair, like when it's like this. So if you're a pro, you could always use a tweezer to kind of like open it up and make it more realistic. It does have like a wig smell, which is like the new wig smell for sure. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this conditioner to kind of like change the smell and to pat it down. Since it's synthetic and I can't really put heat on it, this is probably something that you could do, like a nice conditioner that you know smells good. Curling cream, put it on it. So we've done this side. I'm just gonna do a little bit more to show you guys different ways to style this, especially beginners. In these synthetic wigs, you want to define the curls. Using a curling cream is always the best, right? It gives it that definition, and at the same time it doesn't make it so obvious that it's synthetic. Even if it makes it obvious, there's nothing wrong with that. So I did put a lot on this side. So you always want to just style the wig to fit your face. So this is what it looks like. I haven't worked on the middle yet. That will be in another video, but let me just show you different ways to style this hair. So you could put some behind. I think I like this side because I did put more curling cream. I'm gonna put more on this side. When you put, stick it little, and you wanna, just gives it that little. Okay, first way to style, I'm just gonna put a couple behind my ear. This is one, so I put behind my ear and I covered, and this side is out. You could choose just to cover one eye. This is one. The second style is just to bring out two in the front, and then you could either pin the side with a clip or you pin this side with a clip. Everything will be put together. One, obviously you put your concealer color here. Overall, I do like this wig. Number one, I love the color. So you guys feel free to check them out. I'll make sure to leave my Amazon storefront link in my description. This wig will be there. Feel free to check it out. It is very affordable as well. The color can be used every season of the year: summer, winter, fall, spring. Is perfect, and it is beginner friendly as well. It is not too bad to style. Obviously, again, what helps is using like curling cream, and when it comes to the smell, using a conditioner or a coiling cream as well, that will help the smell. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check them out. All the information will be in the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.